Using an expression pedal to play organ music is great because on an organ you would always have an expression pedal to get that feeling in your music. So I'm going to use an organ rumba, and we're going to have our expression pedal playing and bringing up the volume on all our parts in the right and also our style. So press your menu button and go to Assignable, and with our volume pedal we can tick what we want to affect with the volume pedal. So I've just got right 1, right 2, right 3 and our style. And this is how it sounds.